Leze shayi chicha nyempama asigcwala indoda uyadlala zokuphendela ibhari intwana yami indlola umfazi okhe ngizwe khabatha enhle chukulova inambe
Yeah, this is Tornado ROAG, Freestyle Fridays, Season 2. Yeah. Trust me girl, I love you but I love me more. I once tried perfection, found a lot of flaws. It left me crying on another floor. Accept your body, then the shame is gone. I haven't found my purpose, but it's usual. I think I'm born, rooting for myself till I'm gone. From dusk till dawn, till I sit with God. The grass is always greener from the other lawn. Time spent with family is never lost. Man, I wish my mama taught me laws. Cause if a man doesn't cry, that means he never mourns. And if a man doesn't cry, what do those tears for? From his mother's eyes in the nearest morgue, never cared if I belong. Father's knowledge, only thing along. I was just 6 when they told me father's no more. But life don't stop, it goes on and on. So like a bill I roll, then it's fine, I roll. Man, I won't be perfect now, I know. Friends who hate you on the low, under the belt they go way low. But we love them till the halos. She will love it when you're broken, never when you're broke. Rooted for a goose, so I call me rogue. Float like a drone after I tote smoke. No bride, no beef, man, I got no smoke. Unless you talking CDs, I can give you those. Yeah, people told me love this shit right here, I learned it on my own. Yeah. Say it again. Yeah, this is Tornado ROAG, Freestyle Fridays, Season 2.